Well, hello. This is Miguel of Yugatech, and I don't want to make this intro any longer than it should be. Because we have an exciting device over here, and it's none other than the Huawei Nova 4. If you guys didn't already know, this phone was announced last year in China, and it made a hell of a lot of noise because of, you guessed it, that punch hole display, and the fact that it's a new Nova phone. But before we talk about it even further, let's quickly unbox it first. We have a white box over here, let's open that up. Inside, you have another smaller box containing the usual SIM ejector tool, manuals, and jelly case. Then, ta-da! The phone. But let's put that aside first. Underneath, we get a USB Type-A to C cable, a fast charging wall adapter, and free earphones. Nice! With that out of the way, let's move on to the most important part. The Nova 4 itself. Oh man, I really dig it. It's a really good looking and sleek phone. We also get this Y9 2019/Nova 3 vibe because of the phone's gradient glass-like finish and form factor. The phone is also pretty light, and I like that it fits comfortably in my hands. Okay, for ports, there's the power button on the right, the dual nano SIM tray on the left, the 3.5mm audio jack and dedicated mic up top, and lastly, the USB Type-C port, microphone, and audio grill can be found below. Now let's check out the display. So this phone is rocking a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with that punch hole at the top left corner, which houses the 25-megapixel front-facing camera. And I guess the sensors are also crammed in there? The display looks very good and punchy. Colors pop, and I like that there's no notch. Quite honestly, I don't mind the hole, but I wish it were smaller though, but you know, it's fine. You can even hide the hole inside the settings menu under notch. Whoa, check this one out. Yes, it takes screenshots by knocking your knuckles on the screen. And if you knock twice, screen recording. What up? Now apart from the punch hole display, its triple rear camera setup is also the star of the show. It consists of a 48, 16, and 2-megapixel sensor. You'd also be getting the AI feature in the stock camera app, which, well, some people kinda like. A quick look at the video capabilities of this phone, and we get 480 frames per second slow motion, also 120. And from the looks of it, HDR is pretty good. We'll get more in depth in our camera review for the Nova 4. Moving on, the Nova 4 is powered by the high-silicone Kirin 970 processor, which also powers some of Huawei's year-old flagships like the Mate 10 series and the Nova 3, a huge 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. And, as expected, performance is smooth and snappy. We tried playing Tekken Mobile and Asphalt 9, and we haven't experienced any lags or hiccups. The fingerprint scanner and facial recognition are also fast and responsive. As for the battery, it comes with a 3750 mAh battery with fast charging technology. But guys, before you get excited, you need to know that the Nova 4 won't be available here in the Philippines. The Huawei Nova 4 retails in China for 3,399 yuan, or around 26,000 pesos for the 48-megapixel camera variant, while the lower triple camera setup gets a price tag of 3,099 yuan, which is around 16,000 pesos when converted. Huawei Philippines representatives have earlier noted that the device will not be brought into the country, as a different phone will be showcased locally. So there you have it. What do you guys think of the Huawei Nova 4? Do you like it? And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and tap on that thumbs up button. Subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. Also visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. And that's it. This is Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!